Hey, if OBS game capture isn't working with your GPU, yeah, that usually points to a graphics mismatch or permission issue. The good news is you can fix this pretty quickly. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to get game capture working properly with your GPU. So let's jump in. First, and this is the big one, make sure both OBS and your game are running on the same graphics card. If one uses the integrated GPU and the other uses the dedicated GPU, game capture usually fails. Open Windows graphics settings, add OBS Studio, and set it to the same GPU your game uses, usually the high performance option. Next, run OBS as administrator. Yeah, many games run with elevated permissions, and OBS needs to match that level to hook into the GPU properly. If game capture still isn't working, check your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers often break GPU capture. Open Device Manager or your GPU software and install the latest update. Another common problem is overlay conflicts. So turn off overlays like Discord overlay, GeForce overlay, or any screen recording tools. These can block OBS from hooking into the game. Now go back to OBS and verify your game capture mode. Sometimes the wrong mode prevents detection. Try switching between capture specific window and capture any full screen application. If the issue continues, change your game display mode. Some GPUs behave better with borderless windowed instead of exclusive full screen. Yeah, this small tweak fixes many stubborn cases, and that's it. One of these fixes should get OBS game capture working properly with your GPU. If this helped you out, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick